Hi, in this video, let me show you how to fix in case the camera of your HP laptop is not working. No matter what you're trying, it doesn't want to work. So I'll show you a few different tips and one of these will definitely work for you. The first thing you need to do, the easiest, let's start with the easiest first, is to simply restart your computer. But I'll show you a slightly different way. So first we need to turn off your computer. So click the Windows logo, the power option, select shut down instead of restart. Wait until the screen is completely black and you don't hear the fan going. Then you're going to disconnect all the USB devices that you have on either left or right side. I even suggest you disconnect the charger and you're going to press this power button during 30 seconds. Count to 30, be patient, no matter what appears on the screen, just keep pressing. Let's say 30 seconds passed, you remove your finger, and then you're going to press on it again during 2 seconds to start your computer. 1, 2, then lift. Before connecting everything back that you had, I suggest you test the webcam, the camera. Sometimes one of the devices that are connected forbids the camera to work properly. If this still doesn't work after testing out, let's jump to tip number 2. You're gonna click on the Start menu button and then Settings. On the left side, you're gonna click on Privacy and Security. Over here, we're going to go down until you get to Add Permissions, Camera. Click on Camera. Make sure this is turned on. And now make sure that the app you're trying to use the camera with has the permission to use it. So usually, as you see, there's a bunch of apps here. They're off, but if I want to use it, let's say with HP Smart, well, I will turn it on. If you're trying to use the webcam on a web browser, maybe you have a conversation with somebody in Messenger, or I don't know, you're going to make sure that Let Desktop Apps Access Your Camera is turned on. This also includes if you're using Microsoft Edge, Chrome, and other apps, web browsers. If after doing this, you test the camera and it's still not working, let's jump to the next tip, which is to go in Device Manager and update the driver of your camera. So gonna tap the search bar and you're gonna type Device Manager and then press the Enter key. Here are all the different devices that are included in your HP laptop, including cameras. You're going to click the small arrow beside cameras. This is my camera, HP TrueVision HD camera. Maybe yours will have a different name. Click on it to highlight it and right click. Update driver. Browse my computer for drivers and select the other option, which is let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then you're going to select this over here, whatever is showing in the small list, and press next. It will reinstall the driver of your camera. Then press close. Close this and test again to see if it's working. If one of these tips worked for you, please leave a comment down below. Tell me which one. If you have any other suggestion on how to fix this issue, I want to know. So leave a comment. Maybe I'll make a future video about it. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.